Jordy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone. Oh, hello everyone. So today we are doing our first Easter activity for this year. So as you can see, I have taped these two on a paper, and I have also placed a sheet protector down. Okay, the reason is we're going to do Colander painting. So I will be getting the colander right now, and I will be putting in some paint, and we will be doing this activity, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so let's get started. Yo, so here's the colander, as you can see. Okay, so I will be putting one paint first. Jordy, you have to hold this. Hold. Shake. Shake it, baby, shake. Oops. It's okay. Do that. Shake, baby, shake. Jordy, shake. Shake. Yes. Shake, Jordy, shake. Yes, can you shake? Can you shake? Very good. Very good. Very nice. Look at baby. Very cute. This is cute little boy. Wow. Aww. Very good. Do that again. Very good. Too cute. Too cute. Okay, so these are the Easter eggs here. So let's wait for them to get dried up. Whoa. Look at this, it looks so pretty.